In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download BOTIM. If you're using an Android phone or tablet with access to the Google Play Store, this will be quick and straightforward. Before we begin, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection and has a little free storage space. That helps the download go smoothly. To start, open the Google Play Store on your device. You'll find it on your home screen or in your apps list. Look for the multicolored triangle icon. Once the Play Store is open, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap it and type the word BOTIM. As you type, you may see suggestions appear beneath the search bar. Go ahead and confirm the full term and run the search. From the results, you want to select the official listing named BOTIM, Video and Voice Call. This exact title matters because there can be similar looking apps. Take a moment to verify you're choosing the right one by checking the app icon, the full title, and the overall rating and download count. Picking the official app helps you avoid imitations and ensures you get the reliable, up-to-date version. Once you've opened the official app page, tap the Install button. The Play Store will begin downloading the app, and you'll see a progress bar showing how much has been downloaded. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and the current load on your device, so don't worry if it takes a moment. If you're on mobile data and want to save data, consider being on Wi-Fi before you start the download. While it installs, keep the Play Store open so you can easily see when it's ready. If your device alerts you that storage is low, freeing up a bit of space and returning to this screen will let you resume. When the installation completes, the Install button will change to Open. You can tap Open right here to launch BOTIM immediately. Alternatively, you can find the new icon in your app drawer or on your home screen and open it from there. That's all there is to it. You've opened the Play Store, searched for BOTIM, selected the official BOTIM video and voice call app, tapped install, waited for the download, and opened it. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions inside the app to get set up. If you ever need to uninstall or update it later, you can return to the same Play Store page to manage the app.